Hi, this is John Lopinto from Communication Specialties, CSI. Today we're going to talk about our two presently shipping scan converters from the Scandu family in its 19th year, Scandu HD and Scandu SD. Scandu HD is a full-featured scan converter that accepts both analog and digital DVI and VGA up to 1920 by 1200 and seamlessly converts it to high-resolution SDI at both 3G, HD, and standard definitions in over 24 different formats. It's easy to use, can be controlled by the front panel, RS-232 port, or Ethernet port with its own built-in GUI. Unique to this product is a fiber optic output, the first of its kind introduced many years ago, as well as copper outputs for SDI. The Scandu SD is a lower cost version for standard definition SDI outputs only, but has the same full range of inputs for both analog VGA as well as digital DVI. These products are low priced and full featured. Thanks again for listening and watching today. This is John Lopinto. You can find out more at our website at www.comspecial.com. Thank you.